Ready to explore the world of decentralized finance? Crypto.com provides a gateway with its DeFi Wallet. I'll explain how to bridge from the main app to the DeFi ecosystem. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The main Crypto.com app is a centralized service, while the DeFi Wallet gives you non-custodial access to DeFi. First, download the separate Crypto.com DeFi Wallet app. Then, you can withdraw crypto from your main Crypto.com app directly to your DeFi Wallet address. Once your funds are in the DeFi Wallet, you can connect to thousands of dApps to swap tokens, provide liquidity, and lend or borrow without a middleman. A crucial pro tip: you are your own bank in DeFi. This means you are solely responsible for your seed phrase and security. There is no customer support to recover your funds if you lose your keys or send them to the wrong address. Tread carefully and start with small amounts. And just like that, you can step into the permissionless world of DeFi. Using Crypto.com's ecosystem makes the transition from centralized to decentralized much smoother. What's the first DeFi protocol you want to try? For your final question, subscribe for our next video on how to check proof of reserves on Crypto.com. Thanks for watching.